Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to change your chat theme on WhatsApp. Whether you're looking to personalize your chats or switch to a more eye-friendly design, this guide will show you how to do it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots. This is the menu icon. Tap on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, select the Settings option from the menu. This will take you to a new screen with various customization options. From here, tap on Chats. This section is where you can manage all chat-related settings. Now, look for the option labeled Default Chat Theme and tap on it. This will open a list of available themes for you to choose from. Browse through the options and select the one that suits your style or preference. Once you've chosen your theme, confirm your selection by tapping OK or applying it as prompted. Your new chat theme will now be applied across all your conversations. And that's it. You've successfully changed your WhatsApp chat theme. It's a quick and easy way to give your chats a fresh new look while making them more personalized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might enjoy customizing their WhatsApp experience too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.